because it's free camel.
I get it.
Meow. How there you go.
God dang it, I just walked over here.
Oh boy, the freaking ground is wet.
Yeah.
This ought to be fun.
Dico is really gay. That's why he's making progress.
Great day.
You also don't have a mag. Oh,
Right in the damn kind of raise up over your head.
Okay guys, here's the battle sickness. Feel it in my gut. I'm gonna die.
You probably are, because no one likes you. Because you're American.
My mama loves me.
Headbutt your ass.
Yeah, isn't that the sound that it makes whenever you headbutt somebody? Boom. Seal. Seal. Crotch.
Whenever 5 people are dead, I'll send you guys back out to respawn. Everybody got that?
Yeah. Yeah. Time to go. Not in this smoke.
They set these little tiki things on fire.
That doesn't sound good.
What are you seeing?
Right? Right in front of us.
Right.
No, they're just on their side. They haven't crossed the ditch. This side's clear. Hey, why don't you guys try to get up there, on behind those blue barrels over there?
The X. There's an X right in front. Sorry. Don't stack up on the same one. Yeah, a lot of people here.
Hey, we need to get some people moving up.
You give me cover fire.
Hey, hey. Just right across from us, over there. Try to get there.
The barrel?
Yeah.
Just over there.
The X.
Yeah, the X, the X. Okay, tell us whenever.
There we go.
What do we got up here, guys?
Not much really.
He said,
There we go. Where's he going?
straight down. Yeah, sure. Think you try to get some body cover over this?
Hey, you want to go to that? He got hit. Triangle.
Hang on. Wait. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I thought.
Not gonna.
What's the objective? Can we grab our flags?
I don't know if we got anybody up there. It looks like one flag's missing, so we might have had one.
How many flags do we need?
Hey, we got a cross right up here.
How many flags are we supposed to get?
Just more than the other team. So far, every team is at a stand. Every team is at a stalemate right now. They're trying to make a push.
People aren't calling the hit.
Hey, you guys, watch it. I think you guys got somebody right over there.
These people aren't calling the hit.
I know.
Excuse me, gents. Okay.
Yes, I got him.
Hey guys, watch my gun. Hey guys, I'm gonna go where he is, okay?
All right.
Can you guys give me cover fire? 3, 2, 1, go.
Watch out, what you doing?
Hey. Whenever I tell you, pop up. I'm gonna try to get the one right over there.
This guy on the front side, he's just sitting here pounding on it.
Took me time to go. Ah.
How about we just have one of the fastest kids drop his gun and grab the flag?
Wait, did he call a respawn? I need to lose all this crap. Hopefully no one.
Is that you too?
Probably.
You two are good. You can go back in.
I just hope no one takes this crap.
Well, I'll watch it. I don't have a mic. I know. Some of these kids are doing something. Hey, you gotta get this.
Ref, we good to go?
Yeah, you're good. You five are good. What's up?
Forget my most important. Hey guys, try to pull some fire off me.
Wait, what are you doing? Are you just cameraman?
I'm just trying to get flags.
Oh, you are? Hey, there's 3 of them? 3 of them in front of me.
Guy on the right,
Hey, this is what you need to do. Move up. Okay, here, what I need you to do is run up to where that guy just ran. And then move up to there. Move up to there, that one right there.
Hey, 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 watch it, watch it, watch it. Right there.
Where is he?
Right, straight down in front of you. Okay, I'm gonna go where those two are, okay?
I won't say.
I'm not even kidding.
Okay, hey,
There's a guy on the bush.
whenever I tell you to,
No, wait, don't go. There's a guy waiting for us.
okay, whenever I tell you guys to, lay out full auto, and I'm gonna try to make a run for it towards the crowd. Hey, 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 hey! There, right there!
I got him.
I need to bring my pistol. A guy's not going fessing up to his safety kill.
You two are good. You two are good. You're good. Am I still good? Yeah, go. You've done good.
So no one will take my stuff, right?
You two get away for a second.
Robert, got any ammo?
No.
Oh wait, never mind, I saw it in my bag. I just think I brought it.
Hey, anybody over right?
A little bit, very few.
Directly right, but
Okay. I'm gonna try to make a break for the furthest one up there in the ditch over there. You guys think you guys can give me enough cover fire to get up there?
Give us just a second. Hold on a minute. Let me wind it up.
There's a flag to your right.
Oh, dang.
Sorry.
No, that BBO's nailed me in the face.
Hey guys, I'm gonna try to come back.
my GoPro dude's back. What's going on, man?
Do I give this to
You guys ready to spawn in?
We just
You're good.
Ref? Do I give this to you?
Yeah, you get a yellow piece of tape, so hold up. That's cat, dog. You need one for the team. Running low, go get a couple more, dude.
Oh. Okay, guys.
What? I'm still trying to fix this.
What's the matter with it? Keeps coming disconnected?
I hit him like 5 times.
We need to start pushing. I'm behind you. Hey! You! Hey, try to give me some cover fire so I can get up towards you.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
He's in the middle. Near this wall. Down.
Hey, Gilly! Come on, stop fogging. I can't go. Stay down.
I'm pushing up the left side.
God dang.